Picking the wrong RV toilet can ruin your entire trip. We tested the top models so you don't have to. In this video, we break down the best RV toilets for comfort, easy flushing, and simple installation, no matter your rig size or budget. Check the links in the description box below. Stay tuned, this one's worth watching. Number 1 is the Dometic 320 series RV toilet. One of the longest selling RV toilets on Amazon, and for good reason once you see what sets it apart.
The bowl is constructed from 100% vitreous china, the same ceramic used in residential toilets. Unlike polypropylene plastic, vitreous china naturally resists stains, scratches, and odor absorption, a real advantage when you're maintaining the same toilet across weeks on the road. Flush performance matches that material quality. Pressurized water flows around the entire rim with every flush, rinsing the full bowl surface rather than just part of it.
A single foot pedal handles all operation. A half press fills the bowl with water before use. A full press triggers the flush. Simple, intuitive, and consistent. The 18 inches seat height mirrors a standard home toilet, so first-time users adapt immediately without any learning curve. Installation requires some preparation. At 37 pounds, the ceramic construction adds real weight. A second person makes the job easier. Confirm your rough-in distance meets the 11-inch minimum before purchasing. The Dometic 320 is the right choice for RV owners who want a toilet that feels and performs like home, and who are investing in something built to last through years of regular use, not just a few camping seasons. Number 2 is the Dometic 410 RV Toilet, Dometic's entry-level porcelain bowl model. It still offers two key specification advantages that help it stand out even at the lower end of the price range. The first is the rough-in distance. At just 7.625 inches, the 410 has the shortest rough-in measurement in the industry. Rough-in refers to the distance from the wall behind the toilet to the center of the floor drain connection. In small RV bathrooms, particularly Class B vans and compact travel trailers, this distance can be tight enough to disqualify larger toilets entirely. The 410 fits where the Dometic 310 and 320 simply cannot. The second advantage is the bowl material. Despite being the most affordable option on this list, the 410 uses a genuine porcelain bowl rather than polypropylene plastic. Porcelain resists scratches, stains, and odors more effectively than plastic, and it holds its appearance over time with nothing more than standard cleaning. The round bowl keeps the overall footprint compact, and the soft close seat eliminates lid slamming. Dometic rates this toilet at double the weight capacity of leading competitors, and it has been validated through 10,000 flush cycles during quality testing.
The Dometic 410 is the right pick for owners of compact RVs or tight bathroom layouts who want a genuine porcelain bowl upgrade without paying full price for the 310 or 320.
Number 3 is the Seaflo RV Toilet. It's one of the most compelling options in this category for buyers seeking residential height comfort and reliable flush performance, without the premium price of a Dometic or the Thetford ceramic bowl. What makes Seaflo credible in this space is their OEM track record. Their toilets are factory installed by Forest River, Thor, Jayco, Grand Design, and Winnebago, meaning major RV manufacturers have already tested and trusted this product in their production lines. That is a meaningful quality indicator that goes well beyond Amazon review counts. The flush system uses tri-directional nozzles, distributing water across a wider section of the bowl's surface per flush compared to single-direction designs. The bowl features an anti-stick coating that reduces waste adhesion and makes cleaning noticeably faster. The seat and lid are soft close. The foot pedal allows adjustable water flow, giving you control over how much water you use per flush, a genuinely useful feature for dry camping or boondocking where freshwater supply is limited. The standout spec is the warranty. 4 years, double what Dometic and Thetford offer at comparable price points. Replacement parts are also sold separately, making long-term maintenance simple and affordable. The Seaflo is the right pick for budget-conscious RV owners who want a reliable, warranty-backed toilet with residential height and a proven OEM track record behind it. Number 4 is the Dometic 310 series RV toilet. It takes everything that makes the 320 a strong performer and refines it with one important design change, a rimless bowl, while coming in at around 11 pounds lighter.
A rimless bowl means there's no interior ledge running around the upper edge. Traditional rimmed bowls have a hollow channel at the top where water is distributed, and that channel is a common spot for waste residue and bacteria to build up between cleans. The 310 eliminates that ledge entirely. Instead, the power flush system delivers water in a vortex pattern, spiraling it around the full bowl surface rather than simply dropping it straight down.
The result is a bowl that rinses more thoroughly per flush and requires noticeably less scrubbing during regular maintenance. At roughly 1 pint of water per flush, it stays water efficient without sacrificing rinse coverage.
The slow close seat and lid prevent slamming, a small but genuinely practical feature inside an RV where thin walls mean every sound carries. Installation is equally straightforward. The universal 2-bolt mount makes the 310 a direct drop-in replacement for most factory-installed RV toilets. The Dometic 310 is the right pick for owners who want a step above the standard ceramic toilet, especially those spending extended time living in their RV and want a bowl that stays cleaner between deep cleans.
Number 5 is the Thetford 42169 RV Toilet, the lightest permanent RV toilet on this list at just 9.5 pounds. And for RV owners managing payload weight or handling installation solo, that difference is significant.
For context, the Dometic 320 weighs 37 pounds. If you are installing alone or your RV is close to its payload limit, that weight gap matters more than most buyers initially realize.
The bowl is made from polypropylene plastic rather than ceramic, which accounts for the weight difference. Polypropylene is less scratch-resistant than vitreous china, but Thetford's anti-porous surface treatment reduces staining and odor absorption compared to standard untreated plastic. The 18 inches seat height meets ADA compliance standards, making it a comfortable option for users with limited mobility or joint pain.
The flush system runs on a single foot pedal with a ball valve mechanism that wipes the bowl clean with every full flush. Half press to add water before use, full press to flush and wipe. The valve keeps waste sealed between flushes, which helps manage odor in tight, confined spaces.
It is also manufactured in the USA, an uncommon detail in a product category where most alternatives are imported. The Thetford 42169 is the right pick for solo travelers, weight-conscious van owners, and anyone who needs a lightweight, manageable toilet from a brand with a long track record.
That's our full breakdown of the best RV toilets on the market. Whether you're after comfort, portability, or value, there's a perfect option for every camper. Check the links in the description box below to grab yours today. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.